Hi Cancer, welcome back to Omkara Tarot and to another love read. Cancer, let's see how you're feeling, how your person is feeling and what action we can expect in this connection now. And these are general collective readings, Cancer, will not resonate with all of you. Please keep that in mind, take what works for you and leave the rest. So let's begin. My angel spirit guides, please bless this reading for Cancer and send them the messages they need to hear the most for their love life. Thank you. Alright Cancer, let's begin your reading. Welcome back all my subscribers. Thank you for being here. And Cancer, if you're new here, we welcome you as well. Do join us, subscribe to the channel, become part of us. We welcome you in. Alright Cancer, let's start your reading. Newbies, I'm setting down these two sets of cards. One side is for you, one side will be for your person. And then the center, I'm going to have your dialogue message cards, your mutual cards, etc. Okay. And for me, Cancer, this is going to be person A, this is going to be person B. If this is your storyline, of course, you'll know which side you resonate best with, right? What of my deck? Oh, King of Cups. Somebody is in love. Somebody is in love. Maybe they just haven't been able to show it or speak about it, but heart of hearts, this person is madly in love, it seems. They are kind of losing hope. Though. Oh, 1 second. Somebody is losing hope in this connection, Cancer. They're feeling very depressed, very sad at the moment. The other person also feels that, there's no second chances to be given here. Maybe somebody was waiting for a very long time. It's a lot of losing hope kind of a feeling that I'm getting, that, will this ever re-begin or not? Or should it? Let's see what's going to happen. Okay, so let's start with some dialogue message cards here, Cancer. Let's see if you guys could say something to each other, what that would be first, and then we'll clarify these cards. 1 second. Cancer and their person, spirit. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. Cancer and their person. They could say something to each other now. Okay. I'm going to take a few more, Cancer, from another deck. And if any of you are looking for personal readings, my email is in the description box below. You can reach me there. Cancer and their person. Okay. Let's start your reading, Cancer. The first card here says, if I give in to you, you will have the power to break both my heart and mind. I can't survive that. So maybe they were holding back with all the love in their heart. They've said, if I show my person I love them, and what if my heart gets broken? So trying to control, right? I'm having a hard time believing that you really love me. No one else comes close to all the good things you've done for me. I need to control the situation, this connection. I'm afraid I'll lose myself in you. Again, this is the same thing. If I give you too much power, then you'll control me. I need to be in control. Same thing here. I need to control this connection. I'm afraid I'll lose myself in you. So this could be this King of Cups, not wanting to be emotionally vulnerable. Always keeping one foot, on land, one foot in water. One hand they always have this cup of love, one hand they have this bow and arrow. So they always like in this, I'll give you love, then I'll take it back, or I'll shoot you down if you come too close. So they were doing it out of self-protection, I think, which is not fair to the other person. I agree. I have a hard time focusing on you when I'm trying to build an empire. I didn't really believe in marriage until I met you. Well, maybe that's the way they've always been with all their connections. But after meeting this person, okay, they can't control themselves, it seems, any longer. I see you in my dreams, wishing it was a reality. It was just not the right time for us. I don't think I can handle this anymore. All right, so I think this is person B saying, if you're always going to shut me out and never open your heart to me, I don't think I can handle this anymore. Okay, so Cancer, let's start your reading now. As always, I'm going to start with an angel blessing card. Let's see what my angels have for you as a blessing, guidance, advice, or a message for this read, and then we'll start the clarification process. So my angels, blessing, wise decision. Okay, so Cancer, I think somebody needs to make this very, very wise decision, which I have a feeling they're stressing about, struggling about, not being able to sleep at night, wanting a brand new chapter, brand new cycle, but wondering now how to make this wise decision. Let's see what's going on. I'm going to start with the energy of person A, Cancer, first. Let's see what's happening in their life, then we'll move on to the other side. So person A, why do you feel your star is in reverse now? And why are you sitting in the Four of Cups in reverse energy? I think there was a point where they didn't want to feel stuck. They didn't want to feel stuck in the inner connection. They were happy the way they were. In their Nine of Cups energy, well, everything works for me like this. I'm happy the way I am. I don't want to be stuck. I don't want to commit. And because of that, things probably came to a standstill. Yes, because that person could have blocked them out. Or maybe they were doing the blocking and saying, hey, don't come too close, don't come too close, right? Because I don't want to be stuck. I want to stay free. I'm happy the way my life is. My Nine of Cups are satisfying enough to me. Even though heart of hearts, they knew that person B was their happiness, their sunshine, their wish come true. And now things have totally stagnated. That's why they're feeling so miserable, so depressed. Four of Cups in reverse. They do want a resurrection of this connection though. Judgment card. They do want this to happen. They don't want to shut this chapter down. They want one more go around. They've realized that their own behavior maybe or their own mindset is what has brought this connection to a stagnancy. They want these barriers to come down between the two of you. They're worried that person B is no longer fighting for them, but they want to work things out regarding this commitment which was never offered. They do want to come and offer this now or whatever. They want another try. They want this connection to come alive again. They want to come out of this feeling of never having offered or never accepted. They want to come out of this. So what happened in the recent past, person A, that you're feeling this way now? Strength in reverse. I think they never had the courage to move forward. They were probably happy in their party lifestyle or listening to other people or gossip. Something happened here where they didn't put in the stability into this connection, very well knowing that they were dealing with the Queen of Cups, very loving, very kind, very intuitive. They didn't do the right thing. Somebody didn't do the right thing towards a person who they knew was the best thing that had ever happened to them. Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups spirit. Yeah, they were trying to be a little bit of an illusionist. They were trying to be a little bit of an illusionist by I don't know, this person knew. This person had the clarity. They knew what the right choice was. But they either lied or created some kind of an illusion. Whatever they did, I think now they're feeling quite defeated. They're feeling quite defeated. They feel embarrassed and ashamed of the way maybe they portrayed themselves. Maybe they may have asked person B to be just a friends with benefits, or maybe showcase themselves as having third parties. Something they did which I think they didn't do the right thing. Justice in reverse is like not doing the right thing. So how, person A, how do you feel about the connection now? The world. Why is the world card here? Oh, they feel this chapter, person B has shut the door on them. All that love that was being offered is no longer being offered. The chapter has shut down. Why? Because there was no commitment offered, no future offered, no marriage or whatever offered, and they feel like, oh my God, they're feeling left out in the cold now, embarrassed about their own actions, feeling left behind, unable to sleep at night, having nightmares maybe at their own behavior. Why? Because they were very stubborn. They were trying to control. They were trying to control everything. Like the cards said, two of the cards said the same thing. I want to control the way this connection will go. I want to have control over my feelings. Yes, this person is now, with all the control that they were trying to implement in this connection, now they're feeling they've lost their power completely. Because why? Why do you feel this way? Because now they are in hermit mode. Now maybe person B has not stopped, showing them love. So they are getting their spiritual downloads, though. I think this person is also ascending now. They have been put in hermit mode for a reason, to understand what this connection actually means to them. So what action they'll take after being in hermit mode, we'll open later. Cancer, let's go on to the other side and see what's happening here. Person B, you have the Judgment card in reverse. Why do you feel this way? Well, person B says, well, I'm not interested. I'm not going to give them a second chance because they never put in any work. They never put in any work. They always kept me waiting in limbo. I never knew which direction to go towards. They were very immature, and they were toxic, literally, because they were emotionally manipulating me this whole time. They were emotionally manipulating me this whole time, and they always kept me stuck, not making that wise decision for our connection. So I think person B feels there's no point giving this even a thought of a second chance. 2 of Wands. Yes, I think person B feels person A was very cold towards them. They were a liar. They were not open emotionally. They were not expressing their feelings. They were harsh. They were rude. They were mean and emotionally manipulative. And they never offered them any kind of stability. Right? So that's why I think person B has now cast judgment on person A. What happened, person B, that you feel this way now? Death in reverse and the 5 of Pentacles in reverse. What's this Death card in reverse? Well, I think person B did wait for some time, but person B says, my person refused to change. They refused to apologize. They refused to open their heart to me. There was so much of conflict between the two of us. I never knew where I stood. It was up and down all the time. And I decided I'm not going to stay in this feeling of lack for the rest of my life. I'm pulling myself out of it. 5 of Pentacles in reverse. Yes, person B says, don't they know who they're dealing with? I'm the Empress. I don't chase. I command attention. I don't demand attention. If they are going to behave in such an immature manner, then, well, yes, I'm ready to embark on a brand new journey for myself. I can start anew anywhere else. I'm the Empress. I'm not going to sit around here and cry for them for the rest of my life. Okay, all right. So how do you feel about person A or the connection now? Well, person B says, I have put my swords in front of me. I'm blocking this connection out now. I've gotten myself out of those sleepless nights and that stress and that trauma and having nightmares. What's going to happen? And since I've started taking care of myself and enjoying my own peace, my own time, looking after my home, my money, my business, and taking care of me, guess what, Omkara Tarot? Life seems so beautiful to me. It's feeling so good that I'm in a happy state now. I am sitting here like the Queen of Pentacles, the Empress. What more do I need? Or should I wait around and cry for somebody who never makes any wise decisions? I'm not going to do that anymore. Good for you, person B. Clarify the Sun card. Why are you so happy? Well, person B, I don't think person B is totally shut the chapter down completely, but yes, they say I am not going to move now towards my person, nor do I want to be the first ones to communicate. Well, I haven't ended the chapter completely, but if they do if it has to kind of come back or whatever, then I want it all or nothing. I'm not going to compromise. Because I'm already in high vibration here, I can move forward. I mean, I'm not waiting around for somebody who's going to be emotionally manipulative or, not do right by me. So let's see what actions you guys are going to be taking. I'm going to take a separate deck for this one, Cancer. And of course, this is my time to request you to please hit that like button. It helps the videos to circulate and of course makes me extremely happy. And newbies, if you are going to subscribe, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you can be reminded each time new videos are posted. Thank you. So person A, let's see what action you'll be taking or you want to take. Knight of Pentacles. Why is that in action, person A? Why is that in action? Three of Wands, Justice, okay, and the Nine of Pentacles. One more. Why is that in action? What are you waiting for? Page of Wands. They will be messaging soon. They do want to message. This time when they come, I think they'll want to start from scratch here, Cancer. They want to be stable this time. They want to come in slow, maybe with a small hi, hello. But whatever said and done and on their mind is to how to bring justice, how to make that wise decision. They've probably been taking their time because they see person B so independent and so beautiful and so happy without them that well, they could be waiting for the right time to take this action. I don't know. Let me take one more. What are they waiting for, Spirit? Nine of Wands? Or maybe they just see this Nine of Pentacles person as their future. Yes, I think that's it. They will be messaging soon, that's for sure. Just give me one more card for person A, Spirit. Okay. Nine of Cups. Yes, they know. They want to make their wishes come true and they know that this Nine of Pentacles person is their Nine of Cups. Right? So they have been waiting, watching. They have been waiting maybe to they look into their future and they see this Nine of Pentacles person being the person who they want to be in a balanced connection with. And this time they'll come in strong, solid, with an offer. So yes, the message is what they're going to start with. Could be a small message of hi, can we talk or something like that. But the intention is to bring things back into harmony. So person B, will you take any action towards person A or otherwise? E, Three of Swords. Why is that Three of Swords in action, person B? Why is the Three of Swords in action? When person B says they have been a liar, they have been a cheat, they snuck away, they hurt me, they broke my heart. Well, if they want to work things out with me, I want clear communication this time. I want a clear, focused, I don't want a silly hi, hello, how are you? I want them to actually show me that they're going to put some work in and I want clarity before anything else. Am I right, Spirit? Is that what person B will do? One more for person B. Four of Cups. One more. Ten of Wands. Yes, person B has been hurt very badly, I think. Person B has not been given that offer till now. They've been very disappointed from person A because person A always hides their emotions, right? So at the moment, I think person B is kind of almost at that stance to say, hey, this is over. They've stabbed me, they've hurt me. In my mind, if this is the way they're always going to behave, then it's better that it's over. But, well, I don't think they'll take any action, but if any clear communication comes to them, they may just hear person A out. But it has to be honest, it has to be clear, it has to be precise. Ace of Swords with the Three of Pentacles. It could work out, but person A, you can't come in wishy-washy this time. You will have to put your heart out on the table. That's all I can say. There is a lot of love here, and this person does want to send a message. That's that much I can assure you. So till next time then, love and light. Take care. Namaste, Cancer.